Welcome to another festival episode of Nama Japan. We are here at part 3 of the Dai Tsukemen Haku festival in Shinjuku. We're gonna have a couple of new bowls here, a new set of ramen stores is here. None of them are from Tokyo, and we're gonna explore what we can do actually with 3 people here today. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's go and check it out. Make sure to stick around until the end because I have some footage from the new Tokyo Ramen School that has been opened together with Brian McDuckston from Ramen Adventures. And yeah, I'll show you a little bit something at the end, so make sure to watch until the end.
The 17th. So these 3.
Yep.
And these 3.
Yep.
Which one did you get?
All right, first bowl.
It's good.
逆にそれ受け取ってやらなくてもいいのよ。このネットの方で。
So, 3 boys, 6 bowls. We're done for today, and that was an absolutely incredible day here at the Dai Tsukemen Haku 2019. We had some really fantastic bowls. I had the Junk Story bowl and the miso ramen bowl from Sumire. What did you have?
I had the Noko Niboshi, the thick, kind of dirty Niboshi ramen, and a pork and chicken Tsukemen.
Oh, those look fantastic as well, right? What did you have?
I had the one with the, I think, shoyu.
Yeah, the kitakata style.
Kitakata.
And I think then you had
The one with the pound of noodles.
a pound of noodles. I'll find out and write down what he had. But yeah, definitely great bowls. And none of them were actually from Tokyo. So this would have been a great bowl for everyone living here in Tokyo to try something from outside of Tokyo. And that's not all today. After this, I have a little bit something about the new and upcoming Tokyo Ramen School for you. So stay tuned. And I'll see you guys in the next one. That's a good smell.
So you fry garlic.
Almost get smaller, or what is shrinking?
The garlic.
Nice golden brown now. Then also a little bit charcoal. Then you put your garlic in a little. Now shallow golden brown. Then you wait a little while. A little bit more darker the color.
Yeah.
A little bit darker.
Yeah.
More darker the color. So gradually darker, darker. Not all the same color. Yeah. So last one, the only little bit carbonated to make a black word. But you need only a little bit, otherwise
That's why it doesn't taste like
bitter.
garlic because it's just alright.
You can put the color or a little bit, otherwise too bitter. We say黒い in the back, black, you know that? Black bar.
Yeah.
Human has a little bit that black bar, but that's not all.
So you said it's good to have a little black. It's like people. It's good to have a little bit of black.
A black?
A little bit of evil. It's good to have a little evil in you.
Only little
Yeah, not like that.
Yeah.
たいな続けてやってもらうとそんなに無駄にはならない。
Like who has the idea to like and then to mix the garlic